So the veterinary school has a problem-oriented curriculum, and from the very beginning, students work on cases. Often they're sort of taking several weeks to work through a single case, where they'll learn about the presentation, they'll go off and do some research, they'll come back and talk about it, and really figure out how a case works by themselves. They have to go look everything up and really try to figure it out on their own, and that's a great learning experience for them. But when a case comes in on emergency, they can't take 2 weeks to figure out how to stabilize it. So what we're trying to do with this type of training comes early in the curriculum, but also sort of spread out throughout the curriculum, where after they learn these basic concepts, they have an opportunity to come in and try to manage these cases in real time. And for me, that was the major impetus for doing this, was giving the students an opportunity to really practice managing cases in real time. Doing a problem-oriented case in a classroom is a great way to learn the concepts, but it doesn't really prepare them for dealing with a case in the emergency room or anywhere in the hospital, really. So the whole goal here was to let them pull these things together and to understand what it's like to make decisions in real time. And one of the really important things we want to teach them is that not making a decision is basically making a decision, and sometimes it's to the detriment of the patient. So really learning that timing is important, and taking that leap of faith and doing the best they can with the information they have is something that's very difficult to teach in a paper case, but we can do in this room.